Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix Google Drive upload stop. If your Google Drive upload is stopped, what you can do is firstly check your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and I'm going to turn on airplane mode for a second. After you turn it on, you need to turn it off. Now I'm going to tap on my device settings. After you tap on device settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on app management. After you tap on app management, you will see the search bar. Tap on search bar and search for Google Drive. After you search for Google Drive, tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache. After you finish doing that, what you can do next is update the app. You can tap on Google Play Store. After you tap on Google Play Store, tap on the search and start typing for Google Drive. And if your app is not updated, tap on update and update the app. And still if it doesn't work, what you can do is you can press the Drive app and tap on uninstall. After you uninstall it, to install it one more time, tap on Google Play Store and install it. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.